This is an Eccentrics. This is what adjusts camber on a ball joint, stem to loop, ball joint arms. Ball joint connects to the spindle. And the way you do this for pre-alignment, meaning you're doing basic alignment, you're going to put a degree finder and you're going to put it flat on the face of the spindle. And I like to use a crescent wrench that doesn't have the teeth on it, so it won't make marks on either the Eccentrics or the spindle. You're going to put it on it, but you're going to lift it up so that you're not dragging on the powder coat. And as you rotate it, you'll see the spindle move. And you'll see it coming in. It's off. We'll bring it back. Almost there. Perfect. 90 degrees, which is 0. No camber, no